Alright, check out my Mac Plus. So I'm pretty sure the hard drive inside of it shot, so it runs off the one inside of there, which is still good, surprisingly. And it's got the mouse too. I don't have a keyboard, so, and it's a little rough going left. You kind of gotta push it. Wish I had a keyboard. I don't know if the regular PS2 will work, but might as well give it a shot in a little bit. But yeah, it's so cool, black and white. Just needs to be cleaned off. And that needs good cleaning too. I was ripping this plastic off of here. Or the tape, I should say. I got this. And where is it? It's in the other room. TRS 80. I also got a big old Commodore screen. It's over there next to my servers. So yeah. Back in the old Mac days. I can't even do it.